Welcome to Short Gyan by Gopal Sharma. We are back again with our third video in the series of Python programming for beginners. So, on this channel, Short Gyan by Gopal Sharma, we have been in continuation of making a series on Python. So, in this third video, we will be learning how to take input from the user, or we will make a program which will take input from the user. So for this, first of all, we have to make a, let me zoom it, we have to make a variable. Let it be our int variable. And okay, let's make it simple. Let the variable name be x, and for this we have to use the keyword input. Input is a by default function which takes the input from the keyboard, which activates the keyboard to give the input. But there is a limitation on this which we will talk about further. So after taking input, we will print x. We will check whether the input has been taken or not. Let's run this program and see what happens. Look, the cursor here shows this is an input. I have given this input, and when I entered, this showed this is an input like this. So let's make it more readable. First of all, we will print some statement. Please enter your input. So after this, we will be executing this line, and an input will be stored in the variable x. After that, the variable x value, that is the input which is taken from the user, will be printed. Now let me show you one thing. Print type of x. Let me print the type of x. Run this code. Look, please enter your input. The input is hello. The input is printed, and focus here, the type or the class of the input is str. It means it is an string input. But what if a user inputs some number? Enter your input. Let me input 3535. Enter. Again, the input is numeric from the user side, but it is str. It's in string format. So what's the problem with this? The problem is nothing but the input function which we have used to take the input takes the input and reads a string from a standard input. It reads a string only. This is not for integer or floating point value. So we will use the typecasting or the type conversion method to convert the string input into integer, float, or either any kind. So we will look for that in some another video. Till then, keep learning and share the video to your friends, like the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you.